Hello and welcome. My name is Jessica Clark, and I'm going to be introducing a potential new AI assistant for you. This assistant is named Samuel, and he is an assignment buddy. He's designed to help answer a lot of the routine questions that students may have, kind of reducing that load for teachers and instructors. And we're going to get into that in a little bit. So here at Summit Valley University, we have a few different challenges that are presented. Some students may need further engagement and greater engagement with the course material, and they may be having a lot of questions for professors. And so this tool is designed to help reduce that load on professors and help students actively engage more fully with their material. There's an opportunity here for AI-powered support. It's because a lot of people are starting to become a bit more familiar with AI, some in good ways, some in bad ways. We're going to get into that a little bit. And now it's enhancing the ability and the capabilities of institutions and helping students wherever, whenever they need help. And this will also help in enhancing student learning and support. And we're going to get into some strategies for helping faculty adopt this and an implementation plan and some rollout phases. So right now, we have an increasingly diverse student population, and because of that, this is necessitating some updated approaches to education. Technology is developing, things are developing, and we need students to be aptly prepared for the future of work, and that includes AI. We also need to make sure that faculty aren't overloaded because with more advancement can mean more stress on faculty, and we want to make sure that they are also assisted, and we want students to have more streamlined assistance so that faculty members don't have to continually answer the same questions. But how do we do that? Well, if we have AI tools, we can transform student experiences through that. And Nectar offers the option to create AI assistants to revolutionize how students are interacting with academic courses. And this can also help create more personalized instruction for students. And now, this can also greatly help with student engagement because they can increase their amount of content, learner content integration and learner content in, engagement so that they can really deepen their knowledge on various course concepts. And to help with that, we have created Samuel. Samuel is an AI assignment buddy. His job is mostly to help students answer those routine questions that may not be easily answered by them, or that they may bother professors about things like what's the rubric for assignment? When are my deadlines? What am I supposed to do? How can I get an extension? But then, furthermore, this answers another challenge that students have is that they may receive an assignment, but they don't really know how to go about doing it because many younger students may not have had it to plan out their whole process of creating assignments from start to finish before, and so they may have some difficulty knowing how do I write this thing? What are my steps to creating this project? And that's what Samuel is designed to do. And Samuel is also designed to help not only with project management, how to break down assignments into step-by-step processes, but also to help manage time so that students, if they have 1 week before a deadline, they can use Samuel to help break down their assignment into daily steps they should take to complete it, and also even how to chunk assignments into manageable pieces so that they don't get overwhelmed in the what should I do. Samuel's trained on all the course material for the course. The example course we're using is the communications course, and also all deadlines, all rubrics, and is also trained to know who to help and how to design assignments as well. This will help with engaging students, and also it'll help faculty, I think, will also take this well because the the tool does not replace the teacher, but the tool does not replace other course material, but it enhances it by enabling students to have another way to engage and also reducing the amount of emails that professors need to have answering questions about assignments, due dates, or how to even begin projects. So that frees up professor space to actually teach and to help those students that are struggling and help those students who are doing well to do even better. Since it's already integrated into the LMS, that's going to be something that's easy to implement. And then we can create additional resources for students and faculty so that the faculty are aware of how to help students engage and they have full adoption. We're going to start off with just one course in our communications course, and begin with a 3-month pilot. And then after that, we'll expand it to all courses after 6 months. And then we'll continue to do full adoption across the whole university more fully. So we're going to start off with a half after the 3-month pilot with the communications course. We'll expand it to all courses at the university. We're going to have 2 different groups, one group that engages with the tool, one that doesn't, and we're going to utilize some assessments to actually see if it's engaging. One metric that we're going to be using along with this is using qualitative data from mid-course and end-of-course surveys. We want to know how students are engaging with it. Is it helpful? Is it not? And some quantitative data as well from Likert responses in those surveys, and also assessing end-of-course GPAs in courses that do and don't use Samuel as an assistant. The Nectar, as you know, has a lot of capabilities, including tailoring the learning experiences, giving equal access, and also enhancing student engagement. Samuel is specifically designed for doing that, and engaged students use AI tools for learning to move themselves forward and also to help them go even further faster under the direction of instructors, but utilizing these tools. AI enhanced education is meant for the future, and it helps create future resilient learners. So the more we aptly integrate AI tools, we can create more future resilient students. Thank you and have a great day.